Okay. So good morning, everyone, and welcome in today's session. Okay. Today's session is specifically on the email notification, which we discussed yesterday. So yesterday we see that how to create email accounts, where to enable or disable the properties of email, sending inbound or outbound. And then we see that if someone is sending an email to ServiceNow, what will happen? Okay, and we call that what will happen is called that basically inbound email action. Okay, today we are going to be next step of that, what content or which condition this email should trigger. Okay, let's go back to our example. When you submit an order on any of the e-commerce site, you get an email. It means I have one condition on the submit. Okay, when someone added something in that particular what I can say in order, your order has been dispatched, your order has been ready to dispatch, then also we get an email. So these points are called the trigger points कि email कब trigger होगा. Okay, so these points are basically called the what I can say email triggering point. Okay, if this thing we come to know, then second of point come that to whom the email will go out. It will go to me, you, or to whom. Okay. So in service now we have two major points here. Number one, who created the incident and for whom created the incident. Suppose example, Ishwari want to buy something from Amazon. Okay, but there's no delivery available in Ishwari's area. Ishwari contact to Tejal and say, Tejal, can you place a order on Amazon on my behalf and get the order at your place? मैं जब भी आऊंगी मिलने तुमसे, I'll pick it up. ठीक. So it means the actual order is for Ishwari, but who is placing the order is Tejal. So who is requesting and who is requesting on behalf? These things matter because now in this case Tejal places an order for Ishwari. Ishwari is not bothered about any notification. Ishwari bothered about कि भाई deliver कब होगा, मैं कब लेने आऊंगी. Tejal is bothered about all these things. कि dispatch हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, it is going out for delivery or not, all these things. Okay. So these things need to be configured into the system now. Let me go back to my email. Okay.
Hi, Atul.
Hi everybody. Hi Ryan. Okay.
Hi, Atul. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Okay. Properties हो गया, notification, system notification and the notification. Let's come this part. Okay. I click on this particular notification. This is the place where we are going to be configure our emails. कि किसको email जाना है, on which condition, on which parameter email will be triggering. Okay, on which table email is going to be triggered. Remember, tables are important here. You need to be defined on which table this email will go out, will trigger. Suppose you place an order from Amazon, will you get an email from Flipkart? No, na. Or you place a order in on Amazon, will you get a refund email? Not possible because they did not configure the emails on that particular table. Okay, so let me open a table and let me open a notification on the incident table. Just example, then we'll create one. इंसिडेंट क्रेडिट का कुछ है क्या? गिव मी मिनट.
Close का इंसिडेंट क्लोज्ड.
नहीं, क्रेडिट का भी होगा डेफिनेटली. priority raised, open for here. Let's take this. Okay. Incident open. Okay. Like in SLA, we have SLA name. Same way we have a notification name here as well. Okay. Here. What is the name of your notification? Okay. Then table. Let me change a view for this. Try to change the view first. It's taking a lot of time to load this nowadays. Okay, only one view is there. Okay, advanced, that's fine. Okay, so what they say, use notification to notify user about specific activity in ServiceNow, such as update to incident, change request. Notification allow admin to specify when to send, on which condition you want to send the email, who will receive, and what content a email will take. Very simple example. You want to tell to someone that you cleared your BTech. When to send? When I cleared the BTech exam, I got my degree. Who received the notification? My parents. What content in this notification? It's pleasure for me to inform you that I got my BTech degree. It means all these things are required for a notification. Other than what you put? No, nothing you put. When, who, and what is required in this particular notification. Okay. Now, name of the notification. On which table I am creating this incident table. Okay. Category is important. Okay. Category is important because it is required to understand or to differentiate the emails category. Okay. Now, if I say emails category specifically, if I want to send an email to my infra team for some CMDB part, that is not the ITSM part category. That is my, what I can say, ITOM category kind of stuff. Okay. So for you guys, as of now, just to understand that there's a number of categories available. Let me remove and show you here. So go here. Let me go here. So I have 64 categories. Okay. So category is kind of a higher level. Like when we started this class and on the day one, we discussed about the ITIL. So your incident change problem is the ITSM part. Okay. That is a part of your ITSM. But if I go little up, project management, Prince 2, PMP, these are my project management. That is one of the categories available here. Okay. So number of categories is given by the ServiceNow. Just to clarify, just to classify that the email notification, nothing much on that part, but these categories are required to personalize your things. If you go here, here are those categories. Okay. So let not go in deep dive of this one. I'll just put the IT service management. Okay. Description, what is the purpose of this particular email notification? Type, very important. I have two type of things. Either I can send you an email, either I can send you a meeting invitation. It means from ServiceNow, you are able to send an email you are able to send the meeting invite as well to the person. Okay, I give you one example for this one, and then you can go to that particular notification. Okay, so generally we put the email. Okay, active true, allowed, I have no idea what does this mean basically here. Okay. Now come to these 3 points. When to send, who will receive, what it will contain. When to send. When to send, specify what must occur to send this email notification. You need to define the trigger points here. Do you guys know that when you travel via flight, okay, if you're sitting near to the doors, a special person, a air hostess especially, come to you and guide you. You need to be open this door if these things happen. They're not saying that sir आपका मन करे तो खोल देना दरवाजा बीच रास्ते में. No, they say if any emergency happen, if flight crash or something else go wrong, you are sitting on the door, just put this and it will be open. If you go to the shopping malls, if you go to your offices, you go to the college, almost at outside every room there is a one glass box. और उस glass box में क्या होता है, एक hammer होता है. Why this hammer? In case of fire, break the glass with the hammer, take a key and rescue the people. It means those are the specific conditions when this will be occur. In our example, if I take, when I place order, only then I will get an order number and email. Without placing the order, you will not get this thing, right? If someone come to me, Atul, I want to get a training from you for ServiceNow. He will come to me only when he is interested to learn. I will not go to everyone. Hey, मेरे से सीख लो, मेरे से सीख लो, मेरे से सीख लो. नहीं. अगर किसी का interest है, उसको कुछ need है, then only he will come to me. Okay. So when there are multiple notifications in the outbox, there are a form of same notification table. Address the same represent notification, highest weight are sent. Default is 0. ServiceNow to always send the notification assuming condition are met. Okay. What they're saying, suppose I created multiple notification on an incident table. Okay. Then this table, this notification will get a weightage as well. And according to that, they will send it. This is a new point they added actually. Some background condition they added. Okay. Use an advanced condition to send in notification based on the current email record, changing field value or system properties. Send the notification, your advanced condition script get a global variable. Bottom, like it's basically on your, what I can say, your scripting part they're talking now. Okay. So go to these lines once again, just to get understanding. Now, send when condition, record inserted or updated, event is fired or trigger. What do you mean by record inserted or updated? Suppose if I am sending an email or I am clicking on the create new incident and my incident gets saved. When I say get saved means I am inserting a record. Then you can trigger the notification. Event is fired. Example जो भी हमने discuss किया. If you are roaming in the roaming in the mall and suddenly you get an alarm. That is a fire alarm. Then this email will go out. Or trigger. You are going to trigger it now. Manually you are going to trigger it. Boss, send this email now. Okay. So these things, condition we can put. Event is fired. Which event you are seeing? I'll come to that part. This thing. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, they are putting the weightage here now. A new field they introduce. 30. It means if we have multiple emails notification configured, then for this particular notification, the weightage is 30. And they say if you go scroll up, the default value is 0, causing ServiceNow to always send the notification. If I put this 0, it means this notification will go every time whenever you create an incident. But अभी ऐसा नहीं है इस केस में. ठीक है. Now we say send when to send, record inserted or updated. how my system will know this thing, that it is inserting or updating. Inserting means first time you are creating a record, it's called insert. I'm changing the value, it's an update. So I say whenever anyone insert, then this notification will go out. Okay. What are the conditions? My incident should be true. That is only my condition. If I say updated, I can put on the both because it's a checkbox. Active is true, I can put it. So whenever I update my incident record, then also this email will go out. Okay. And then they put some universal request option, and they are putting some code here. Service management ka code hai. I'm not much worried about this. Okay. Now, any question on this point? When to send or till this point? कौन है आज? Okay.
No.
Santosh,
No,
Narayan,
sir.
Ampesh, Tejal and Ishwari.
No question.
Okay, all clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because in interview it can be asked to you that what are the 3 parameters to send a notification. When to send, who will receive, this one, when to send, who will receive, and what it will contain. मतलब कि we got picture when this email will be going out. That is the thing. Now second point, who will receive this email? My represents. Okay. Go here. Do you know that in WhatsApp we have a new facility? I'm not sure that it's a new or the old facility. You can set the name that who can see your status, right? If you're setting up a status, you don't want that it is visible to me. You can put my name in the excluding. It will not, I'm not able to see that status. The same thing goes here. Who will receive this particular email? Notification can be sent to specific user group or the group on the field record generated in the notification. Means I'll let me open this. Okay, मैं भी यहाँ पे आया था. The notification will not send to the user who caused the notification to be triggered unless sent to the event creator. Okay, suppose I am a fulfiller. Okay, I am a fulfiller or I am raising an incident for myself. Will I get an email? No, because I know that I'm getting incident. So what they say, the notification will not send to the user who caused the notification to be triggered. मतलब मेरे लिए अगर मैं ही इंसिडेंट क्रिएट कर रहा हूं, ठीक है, और मैं ही मेरे अपने लिए इंसिडेंट क्रिएट कर रहा हूं और मतलब असाइनमेंट मुझे कर रहा हूं, तो वो मेरे पास नोटिफिकेशन नहीं जाएगा. यू कैन टेस्ट दिस थिंग. ओके, अनलेस सेंड टू द इवेंट क्रिएटर इज चेक दिस वन. मतलब वो तभी जाएगा अगर मैं इसको टिक करूंगा. The notification will also send to the delegates of the user. Exclude delegates is check. मतलब मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं कि who will receive the email. Delegate means मान लीजिए आपकी मम्मी घर पे नहीं है. Okay, they went some out station for 5 days. Okay, if any courier come, then they delegate to you. Okay, Ishwari, you can take that courier, no worries. You can open that courier, that's not an issue. Okay. So these things we need to be specifically mentioned. So now if I come to this particular place, who will receive? User. You can put a specific username here. Add me. Or you want to add multiple people, you can add. Santosh. You can put the groups, that these many groups will get an email. Incident management, my group is there. You can put user and group in field, means you can use those values as well. Caller, you can put it. So it means instead of defining the username, you can put boss जो भी caller है ना उसको मिल जाएगा. You can put it like this. Caller, I can say it go to the caller, it go to the opened by. Okay, it go to the assignment group, assigned to as well. I can put it. That's all. Exclude delegates. Delegates basically, as I take example that what happened. Suppose there is a person who is very on the higher level. Okay. Let's take example. Directors, managing directors are kind of people. Okay. They have their personal secretary as well. PS जो basically कहता है assistant को कहता है secretary कहता है कोई. Okay. They have their assistant as well. So they delegate some of the tasks to their assistant, like accept the meeting invite, approve or reject any bill, get it claim, raise a request on my behalf. So those are the delegated things. Okay. So what they say, the notification will also send to delegates to the user unless exclude delegates is checked. If you this, the delegate will not get an email. If you untick, delegates also get an email. Okay. Then I come to the next one, that is a subscriber. Okay. Allow user to choose this notification when subscribing to their message. Okay. So let's take example. I am running my own YouTube channel. Okay. You are watching my video and you subscribe that now. So it means you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video on the YouTube. So in this case, you can mention it. Affected field on event. When you want to get an email, I said, okay, it's param 1, param 2, okay. Basically, these things, what are they? These are the advanced scripting. If I'm passing some specific stuff. Okay, so I can say param 1 is param 1 मतलब parameter 1, and I have clearly no idea. I'm just checking the things. Item table, on which table you want to subscribe it. These things you can mention. You can mention the incident table, or you can that means that if someone is changing a CI on the incident, then you want that this should come to me. Let me pick up this thing. CMDB_CI table. Or let me put this thing only. In this case, it will get a subscribing part, that is, and send to the event creator. If you want to make false this condition, then always make a true this condition. Anyone who is raising an incident also get an email. Then I put the send to event creator as well. Okay, so these things we can put it. Any doubt on this part? Who will receive?
Atul, when we say subscribe, so is it like subscribe on the given incident or how it is?
Yes, on the given incident only.
Okay, okay.
Okay, that thing. Any other point to be discussed on this? Any doubt? Ishwari, Tejal, Santosh, Narayan?
No, sir. This subscribe even, do they have any options to do a subscription?
Yes.
Okay.
They have, if I'm not wrong.
Follow is.
I think that's the reason why there was something called as digest.
Right.
So that is where you can subscribe to certain things where you keep on getting messages or email.
Right. So these are the things now which you see here. These are the newly introduced actually. Let me open and search. Let's have a look on this part.
Yeah, it was not there in the earlier version actually.
Version. Because if you see here, see subscription based notification. Nine years ago, by God, did we see this option today only? I guess my confusion is that notifications are not being behaving I expect. I expect my user to be able to unsubscribe emails from particular email notification and stop getting them. However, I understand these emails.
No, they are talking something else here.
They're talking subscribe other things, which
Right,
it
right,
that particular option.
right.
Subscribe. No, that is again something different they're talking here. This thing. Maybe we can try something on that part. Okay.
Yeah.
But I saw this option even they did not define anything here. Okay. Now come to the next point. What it will contain. What message you want to put it. What columns you want to show them. What fields value you want to show them. So if using an email template, okay, I'll come to this part, then subject and message will be used from the template unless overridden by subject and message on the form. Okay. Now, suppose you ping someone on the WhatsApp. Okay. The number you ping is a business account. Okay. As soon as you ping hello, you will get a reverse message. Thank you for contacting with us. We will connect you shortly. Okay. From where these things are coming? These are the templates. And if you remember that yesterday also we discussed the template part. What is a template? Is a kind of a format we are using it. So ServiceNow say that boss, I am also giving you the template option. Create a set of template which you can use every time. Like I have a template at my home whenever I want to go out. It's a shopping mall or it's traveling to my hometown. I always use that template. On the top and on the bottom, I have fixed items. On the top, I have ticket booking, cab booking, Aadhaar card taken, all these things. And on the bottom, I have gas off, RO off, MCB off. These are the standard one. I always follow. I make a template. I say whenever I'm traveling for more than 2 days, I will follow this template. The middle item can be shuffle up. That is an example of the template. So you can use those template in the ServiceNow as well. Okay. Now if I'll come to that point as well. Okay. Now you can see here content type, HTML, plain text or plain text only. The thing is that how this content will be open in your mailbox. When I say HTML, it will be like a fancy drag and this table format as well. When I say plain text, then a simple lines will become. Did you notice sometime if you open a Gmail? Let me try to open this here. I'm not sure that this option will come now or not. See this one, load basic HTML. I'll click here. See how much difference between this and if I open my Gmail in standard view. This, right? So this is the example of this thing, HTML or the plain text. HTML will take a lot of bandwidth, a lot of spacing, a lot of formatting. Plain text with a simple line. Okay, so up to you. I won't always prefer to the HTML because that is look good for the customer. If you are sending any email and you want to put some attachment, you can put as attachment to. Omit watermark. Okay. If you omit the watermark, your email reply will not go in the same ticket. So never omit these things. Push message only. Basically, push message are be used for the email to become automatically in the system. Okay. Let's take example. If any one of you has configured email, maybe official email or definitely Gmail also we have already put on the our mobile phone. Those are the push messages. Push message means as soon as anyone send an email to me, my server will push that email to my mailbox. Irrespective कि उसमें जगह है कि नहीं है. That is the second part. But it will push to my these things. Okay. So that is a push message only. Importance. Do you want to put some importance? Yes. High or low. From. You can put any randomizer that from you are sending this email, and so this thing basically work if someone reply back to you. I say hello world, and when someone reply, it should go to the atul.b.c.com. See, from is not a right word. See, so if you reply, it will come by the name of the from here. Reply to, it will go to this particular mailbox. See, email address you want to appear on the form from field. कि कौन भेज रहा है आपको? It means this is going to be override my email accounts if I open this. Oh, okay. Let in the meantime it will be open. We'll go through this thing only. Okay. Email accounts. Go to SMTP. Okay, this one. It will override this particular stuff. Let's see. Let's do some R&D today. Okay. Push messages incident open for me. Again, this is part of this particular stuff. So go as a default here. Now come to this part. Important. Email alert. Sorry, email template. I am using a template here. Unsubscribe and preferences Helvetica. Let me open this record. Means I'm using kind of a template here. And believe me, whenever my development team work on the email, they always prefer to go as a this thing only, templates part only. I'll go here, this thing. Nothing they are saying. They are saying whenever I'm using this template, my layout will be changed. What the layout they are putting? See, they did not mention in subject. They did not mention in any this thing, message, text, SMS, nothing they mention. They are using the template just for the formatting purpose. And how my email will be look like? Let me open this record. And it is not a specific table. It is for every table. Where you use the template, the layout of the email will be look like this only. This. My CSS will be like this. Okay. So what we will do now? We will create one template by this method, by this template. Sorry, we'll create one notification by this template, and then we will remove this, and then we'll see what changes are be happening here. Okay. Now come to the subject. Subject say incident has been opened on your behalf, and here is the incident number. Dollar bracket and then call the your field name. Task effective number. Let me go to this thing. Configure label देखें क्या है. ओके नहीं, ये आई गेस इसने हार्डकोर वैल्यू लिखा है कहीं यहाँ पर इस चीज का, मीन्स at this place on the mic these things what I can say, you can select it from here. ये इसी का है ना, हाँ इसी का है, add to script area, okay ठीक है ठीक. So this is a subject. Now HTML body, what you want to put in your body, email body. So I mentioned these things, let me go full screen, this thing. Hello Mr. For me Mr. means a particular person name. Let me put this and go here field. I want that it should show me the caller name or the opened by. See here. There is a opened by, incident, flight number, opened by. I said click on this, opened by. Hello Mr. Opened by this. I am your friend Mr. What I can put it here, created by. Okay, so by this way you can put the your variables here, field, and no limit, you can put a songs here. If you want to send something on the message as well, you can put it here as well. Hello effective number, sorry field यहाँ पे आएगा ना. Hello actual end, actual start, activity due, approval set, approval history, approval, anything I can put it here. वो अपना ले लेगा, caller, all these things. Okay, now if I'm happy with this, I want to preview this. Let me preview this notification, that how it will be look like to me when it will go out. See, it will look like something this. Who is the event creator? It pick up a record. Subject line is like this. Body, hello Mr. Opened by George this, I'm your friend, created by this, effective number this, all these things coming. Okay, so you can preview this, that how it will be look like to you. Any changes are required, any spacing are required, you can put it easily. You can put the, because we are in the HTML format, so you can do changes as well. Let me put it like this, and let me put bullets. You want to put background color, you can put it. So these things you can change it very easily. Nothing must be worried. I want to create a table. That's fine for me. And now let's save this. Any doubt, any question, any point till this things? All clear? Yeah, all clear. अरे हाँ ना तो बोलो.
I understood the concept.
Anjan, what do you say? All clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dipesh, Sejal, and Ishwari.
Yeah, good.
Okay, great. Let's come back to this. Now we will create one incident. Okay, and let me go here and remove this incident. And but before that, let me check my email properties. On है कि नहीं वो तो देखें ना. Here. Receiving it, let me enable it, and let me remove this. Okay, or let me put Atul.Grover
अतुल एक डाउट था, थोड़ा सा पॉज ले सकते हैं हम लोग?
बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
ये जो इनबाउंड ईमेल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जो है,
हाँ।
ये जो आप रूल बेस्ड करते हो, तो आइडेंटिफायर कैसा है? अगर प्लेन अगर टेक्स्ट मेल आ रहा है तो इट विल नॉट आइडेंटिफाई टू जनरेट एनी इंसिडेंट और समथिंग लाइक दैट?
नो नो, इट विल डू। प्लेन मेल आना है मतलब जैसे उसमें कुछ नहीं है, फर्स्ट टाइम यू सेंडिंग ए ईमेल।
हाँ
हाँ, सो वो हमने देखा ना कल जो इनबाउंड एक्शंस वी सॉ यस्टरडे,
हाँ
we put the conditions that
हाँ
if someone is sending a new, there is no reply, no forward, it means it is a new for me. I need to be insert the record.
ओके
So वो चीज, ठीक
ओके
है?
ओके ठीक, ओके क्लियर।
Let me remove this and save, and let me go to the user admin and open and where is my user? Because I need to show you as well. Look. Okay, and let me put my email here. Okay, now all set for me. Let me go and create a incident. Okay, my test. Okay, that's fine. I want nothing else. Let me save this. Number one part. Let me open my email in the other box. Okay, it's saving my incident now. It's done. Now I can see these things in the notes section. It take a minute for to come here as well. Okay, let me go to my mailbox. Let me see if I get any email or not. See, functional training. My email has been come here. Functional training, right? Hello world. कहाँ से आया ये? Tell me. It came from यहाँ से. From. This from has override my accounts वाला. Yeah. This wala, it's override this particular function. Number one, hello world@com via com. किसको भेजा इसने? To incident manager at example.com. टू में देखिए क्या था इसका. Let's go to this part. Notification. Who will receive?
नहीं ना. अच्छा.
Okay, thanks Divesh. Okay, now if you see here, who will receive? Incident.manager@example.com and Atul.grover. Okay, let me go here and see. कहाँ गया मेरा ये रहा? Tuk and Santosh, they will receive, and my group also receive. My caller also received, my opened by also received, my assigned to also received. Luckily, assigned to is empty in my incident. So this mail is not going to this particular person, number one. Okay. Why Santosh is not receiving? Because Santosh, if I go here, Santosh don't have any email ID on the mailbox. So Santosh को भी नहीं गया. It go to group incident management. Here you can see incident management. Okay. Now reply to whom I reply. कहाँ से पिकअप कर रहे हैं? यहाँ से. If you did not fill these things, it will take this part. I put the email as a functional training. It is still taking functional training. See, but it's changed the address now. Earlier it was showing. Earlier I put these things dev, but now when I override this in my email specifically, it take the hello world. Hello, Mr. Opened by this. I am friend credited by this. Credited by is blank because I just put the text, not the add any variable here. Effective number this, caller business phone number this. This is we put, and we put this thing. And here is my message. Okay. So this is the way that my first email notification is working. Okay. Now let me reply back on this. Let's see what will happen. Reply all. Okay. Hello buddy, thanks for your concerns. Take rest. Let me send this. Let's see what will be happen now. Number one point is that this email ID does not exist. Reply to. Right? It is not exist. Let's see what happened now. Where is my incident? Here. Let me reload this page. This is the email which go out, right? Which we just saw. Okay. Now what happened? Why email is not there? Not there. Now the question come, Atul, I send an email, but it is not showing in my incident where I can check that part. A very, very, very important thing need to be noticed here. Whenever ServiceNow send any email out or receiving any email in, it go to a specific table. Let me show you that now. Emails, system log emails, click open. See, this is the one email which we send now, right? So you can see it has been processed. Means the life cycle of this particular email has been done. Okay. Now if you want to see the preview, you can click preview here as well. Right. This is the first task where you can see that I am sending any email. Will it going out or not? Okay, that is the first point. Let's see any update on that particular incident. नहीं आया, आएगा भी नहीं, because the address we put it. Let me go to the sent item here. To atul.b@c.com ये email ID exist ही नहीं कर रहा. So when we put these things, when we want that if someone sending an email, I should get in my mailbox, shared mailbox, operation team का जो mailbox है वहाँ ये it should land in that particular place. Okay, so it is not showing me here. Let's do something. Let me remove this from. Let me remove this reply to. Okay, let me save this. Because otherwise my purpose will not fulfill to show you this particular stuff. Okay. Now let's go here and create one more incident. Okay, wait. Santosh, your email ID.
SANTU.
ENTU.
SANTU.
Santosh.
Yes. SANTU.
EU.
Dot KANAJI. KANAJI.
हाँ जी, right. Mhm.
11@gmail.com.
Okay. Open your mailbox in one of the window. Okay.
Yes.
So let me add this now. Okay. And go to my incident. Where is my incident? Here. Okay. Service, I'm putting nothing. Second email test. Okay. And assign to, let me put किसका नाम पुट करें हम? शिल्पी नहीं है, तेजल. ठीक है. Tejal, wait, let me add your email ID as well. Tejal, which ID you use? Tejal, this one or this one? चलो तेजल को बाद में पिकअप करते हैं, छोड़ो. Let's go and save this. Okay, my number 43 will be generating now. Okay, go here, go to inbox. I got a, okay. This is the previous one. I'm just waiting for the new one now. 43. It has been created. It go to Santosh. It go to incident. And now did you see this thing? It has been changed. It has been changed now. Santosh, do one thing. Reply on this email. Reply all. I am also doing, you also do.
Okay.
Mention some comment here.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm just sending a reply. I done my part. Hopes Santosh, you also replied on that email.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Reply to all. Don't change anything in that.
Yeah.
Reload this page now. Whatever. Okay, I open it in this view email details. Okay. In the meantime, it will be working. Let me go back to my email logs. Okay, where this emails. Email logs की हम बात कर रहे थे, यहाँ पर आते हैं. ठीक. These emails will be go out now. Now I want to see my inbox email, my inbound, right? Which email is coming to me, even though I'm checking at this place now. Is that my email is coming or not here? Even Santosh email is not come till now. Okay. Where I can check this? Any idea?
Inbox.
Inbox, where inbox? Service now inbox नहीं है यहाँ पे कुछ. This is basically for the outbox, right?
Yes.
Let me click on the all. Let's see. On your behalf, on your will, it's showing outbox. Where I can check it? Tell me. It's still not taking. Tell me, guys. So
it will be in the inbox only. There's a keyword called inbox.
But which email inbox? Santosh,
system
inbox, system का inbox है ही नहीं.
Okay.
Inbox is the second step. First, it will come into my server, right?
Correct.
Any email, any message, when I send it to you on the WhatsApp, it go to the server first. Only then it will load into your particular system.
Correct.
Right? $18. Then where it go? Anjan, what do you say?
एक्सचेंज प्रॉपर्टीज है क्या इसमें?
सोचो।
क्योंकि एक्सचेंज में गिरना चाहिए मेल।
हाँ गिरना चाहिए बट नहीं आया, मुझे नहीं दिख रहा। बताइए। बोलो बोलो, सोचो। It is not showing in my incident as well.
Then probably it has been bounced.
Where? If it is bounce, I should get an email.
No, can you refresh? I mean, reload that form.
Okay, let me reload that.
Not this one. The other.
This one.
Yes.
Email logs. Let me refresh. Let me reload this page. See, open our behalf. Only outbox are showing. No inbox.
Go to received. Received.
Wait. Let it reload. These things you need to be not troubleshoot. Basically, you should know where to check. See, nothing is there.
Yeah. In application navigator received.
You think some word is there with the received? No. Then where it go? How I can check?
सर आपका ईमेल में देखो, आप जो भेजे हो वो शायद नहीं गया है. It has bounced back.
नहीं, it has bounced back only for this ID. Not for these IDs. This one. This is a valid ID.
आप ईमेल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में जाइए, इनबाउंड में. इनबाउंड.
In the properties, right?
हाँ, राइट.
Okay. I just have one doubt actually on this part, nothing much. See, both are enable. Both are enable.
आपका सब्जेक्ट लाइन क्या था? What was the subject line?
Incident this has been opened on your behalf. I don't change anything. I just replied to all.
Achha, go to there only, Atul. In the email properties.
Okay.
There's some setting. Come down.
What? Okay.
We need to mention some email ID somewhere here.
Which email ID? Tell me which email ID.
Atul, is it because of the domain? Because we have mentioned only servicenow.com.
No. And then do one thing. Send an email on this ID. I'll you.
What did you draw? Me watermelon or the nature drawing?
Okay.
Send
the email ID on this.
Yeah.
Email. Okay.
Very nice. Good job. Did you make it more dark?
I just have one doubt. Let me clarify with Anjan. Okay. My question is that where you will check the logs. Properties are fine, all fine.
How did you draw? Nature drawing. Wonderful, Monica. Very nice. Looking beautiful.
See.
Good job.
In this, it's showing like this only.
Monica.
So, is there any table related to this outbound and inbound emails?
Yes.
Where we can check.
Right. There are some logs is there.
Can you show
can see that this email is coming to me or not. Then you can check that why it's not processed. That is my question. Where you guys will check. Your customer is saying, boss, I already sent an email. You say, I did not receive that email. Where you guys will check those. And that is the homework for you all. अंजन मेल भेजा क्या?
हाँ भेज रहा हूँ एक मिनट.
अरे वन लाइन सब्जेक्ट और बॉडी में कुछ लिख के भेज दीजिए बस.
हाँ मैं क्या है थोड़ा सा.
अब तो एक बार ये एप्लीकेशन नेविगेटर में इनबॉक्स टाइप करो.
लो.
It should come here.
You can troubleshoot with me. I have no issue. But this is a homework for you guys.
Yes.
See, it is not here. Let me remove all the filters. See, it's not showing. Let me put all. Still, it is just showing outbound, not now inbound.
Okay. Can you go once again to the system property? If you can.
Okay. System properties, email property. Okay, email properties.
Yeah, somewhere I have done. Okay, send email to the list test email address. Send all email. Can you mention your email ID here?
Nothing to be worried. If you did not mention, it will go to the my service now only.
I just sent.
Okay, you just sent. Okay. Let's see. Anjan send an email to service now. What happened? What was the subject line, Anjan?
Test mail. Test email for inbound functionality for Snow.
अरे इतना कुछ लिख के भेजोगे? See, nothing is coming. आज की डेट का कुछ नहीं है. Right? Yes or no?
No.
Then where that email has gone? That is my question. I just have one doubt as of now. Okay. If I open my email accounts, यहाँ पे कोई ओपन नहीं है क्या? छोड़ो यही तो काम रुको. So many windows यार. Email. That is again my doubt. I'm not sure that this is actually true or not. Okay. Let me change this SMTP to IT service desk and let me put this as a now developers.com. Just one doubt I have. Not sure that it is a true or not because I changed it. Maybe ServiceNow configured something in the background on this particular value. Anjan, now send an email on this ID. I pinged you this ID yesterday as well, right? In our chat.
Okay.
Try to send an email on this ID. No, I did not ping it. Let me take it from my this thing mailbox.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah, I think this is how it should be, Atul, because it should have that proper domain name.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will not receive.
Right. I just doubt on that.
Yep. This is correct one. Yes. Yeah, this should be the email ID. The 2 1.
ServiceNowDeveloper.com. I'm just checking for the spelling perspective. Actually, nothing should be go wrong. And put in my account.
Not .com, Atul. There's one more email ID I saw.
No, that was the older one.
Developer or developers?
Developers. Because maybe ServiceNow configured this particular domain somewhere. That is my doubt. But the problem is still left. Where I can check my inbound emails. That is my question.
Send.
If you are a consultant, you are going to be troubleshoot something, how you will be make sure?
It should be in the inbox only, Atul, because inbox is part of this particular instance.
But Santosh, it is not showing to me, right?
Yes, because the domain name was wrong. Now I think you should see that emails
If I will
coming to
receive
your.
that, definitely one incident will be also created. Because we open that inbound and outbound both. Okay, guys, let's stop this point here. Your homework for Monday. You need to be identify where you can check your email logs for the inbound emails. Now we have examples that Anjan sent 2 mails with one right domain, which was with the wrong domain. Both emails should come show me somewhere in a mailbox. No incident has been created. Even though we mark this as a true, right? Yeah, automatically create user for incoming calls from the trusted domains. Or let me put asterisk. Anjan, try now. Once again, send
Okay.
email. Send one more email. Let me put asterisk for all the domains.
Atul, is there something called as sys_email?
See. It created with the guest. Test email. Anjan, I told you to send a fresh one. Then you are sending a forward. See, this email, this ticket has been created from the email now. 2 reasons. Let open this thing. This is going to the developer.com domain. See, forwarded by Anjan De, dev developer.com.
Good morning. Good morning.
We identify one thing.
Good morning.
What a good thing now. Okay.
Good morning.
Mute for a minute. Okay. Now work is still open for you. We get one ticket number 144 created by Anjan by sending email to these 2 email ID. Santosh, see, did you get an email? Anjan, you also get an email or not? Check. Something like this, number 44. Even I get an email.
Yes, even I have got.
Anjan, what about you? See, IT Survey Desk, I got this thing. Santosh, reply on that email.
Okay.
No, I haven't got.
Because your ID is as a guest. So, and guests don't have any email ID. This thing. But let me see if my email is coming in or not now. Santosh, you also reply, then let me know.
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay. But homework is still same for you guys. You need to be identify where you can see the logs or the email of this particular stuff. Ishwari, Tejal, Dipesh, Narayan, Santosh and Anjan.
Yeah.
संतोष अंजन का अकाउंट भी बना देना एक.
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. Dipesh, all clear?
Yes, I need to check that part.
I got the email. See. My record has been edited now. Wow, I sent a reply. अंजन, ये संतोष आपने भेजा था ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now we have 2 or 3 more cases. I am sending an email to ServiceNow. It's get recorded in my incident. Now you need to be identify where these email logs are coming, where these emails are getting processed in my ServiceNow. Clear? Could doubt? The only thing which we identify, that is the account was wrong for us. We need to be use actual domain because ServiceNow configured this domain somewhere in the personal instance. That is one of the issue. All set, Anjan, Narayan, Ishwari and Tejal. Ishwari and Tejal.
Yes, sir.
All fine? Any doubt, any question, any clarification?
No, sir. ऐसा
No.
एक बार करके देखेंगे.
हाँ.
करके देखेंगे उसके बाद.
Your homework is for everyone. You need to be identify where the incoming emails are getting processed. संतोष आपका reply भी आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Where these emails are getting processed and then it come to the incident. It is coming into the incident because we write the inbound action for the same. But where we can check if someone send an email to me where I can go and check that email is landing in ServiceNow or not properly, or getting ignored, or getting processed, or getting error. These things you need to be identified, and one day we'll start the point discussion on that point only. If we get the answer, our email notification topic will be completed. Done? कोई doubt, कोई question, कोई clarification? Anjan, any doubt, question?
All good, sir. All good, sir.
Santosh will create your ID and give it to you. Okay.
Sure.
Dipesh, Narayan, any doubt, any question?
No, good.
All fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. Stop recording.